The Grey Ghost is back.
Hey! It's not the EGR this time. That seems to still be okay. We've had no engine management lights, even at 220 kilometres an hour, so that's a win. We have a coolant expansion bottle this time. Now apparently these have a habit, they get fatigued on the underside and they have a habit of seeping slightly.
Well, they expand, it's in the name.
They do, and when they expand they seep slightly. And that's what this one's doing. So during the summer, where we kind of get ambient temperature doesn't drop below about 25 degrees Celsius for weeks at a time, it seems to be losing coolant. The rest of the time it's okay, so it just gets topped up now and again. So we're going to replace it today. That's the theory.
The danger is there is no video on the YouTube.
There is no video on the YouTube. So this is its original location here, and there's a spar here going across. So we think airbox is going to have to come out. I guess we'll figure it out as we go.
Hopefully.
Check back with us.
Step 1, remove some bolts. Step 2, install coolant bottle. Also, make sure when you do this, the car's cold, because you don't want everything hot, touchy.
We've got a tray.
Also, when you take the cap off, slowly if it is hot, because you will get if it's too hot. So we'll get Gareth to take some bolts out, and then we'll see if we can remove bottle. Step 1.
Get access to the air filter and then just hoik the air filter out and the airbox out. And now you've got access.
Is that a technical term?
No, it's
Hoik?
a Scottish term. Hoik it out. Hoik it out.
I did that last night.
That's what she said. Yeah, it's just held in. If you look down there, it's just held in with a couple of grommets. So we'll maybe need some wee silicone lube in there to get it back in.
Lube it up.
Lube it up.
Oh, now we can see the bottle.
Now we can see the bottle.
Take it out.
Okay, so with a 45-degree pick, you can pull these away, and that releases the pipe from the bottle, and it's the same on this one. So they're both off. I've already taken the pressure off before I took those out, and now we think it's just held in with the grommet underneath.
I think there's a hose.
There is something. Oh yeah, that makes sense.
Is it leaking at all?
The hose?
No, from underneath. No, okay. So it's only going to leak when you take that last hose off. So we'll get some kitchen roll ready and a drain pan ready so we don't make a mess.
Angle it away from that as well. Yeah, okay,
so
let's
stand
do
by.
that. So again, 45-degree pick into there, releases the clip. This is the new bottle, so it's already gone in. There was no spillage. We just angled it in such a way that what was in the bottle stayed in the bottle. We'll just pour that straight into this one. So there's your locator. That's going to go into the rubber grommet down there. And then the reversal of removal.
Yeah.
Fitting is removal of fitting.
Relatively easy, really. 20-minute job. Until we break something.
Yeah. Until we can't get it bloody.
Okay, put it back in.
Yeah.
So the only other thing you have to transfer is there's a little rubber grommet on the bottom of the old bottle. So you got to take that off there.
Yeah, it may stick to the bottle. It may stick in the car.
Yeah.
Just make sure it goes into the...
Just so it doesn't vibrate around. And then we'll tighten that up. We'll put the airbox back in and...
Top it up.
Top it up, and that'll be done. So airbox back in. The screws for the airbox are captive, so you don't have to go looking for them. They'll stay there. Make sure you tighten the clamp back up between the snorkel and the box. And then, as always, double check all the bolts. There's one bolt there to go in. And then, since we did this so quickly, we might install an Apple CarPlay in this unit.
We may as well. Join us for a separate video on that one, though.
Yes, because it's a separate video. Because this is mechanical and that's entertainment categories.
Should we tease the thing?
I think they've been teased enough.
You
Are you wearing it?
I'm not wearing it.
Okay, then we can't tease it.
Okay, let's just not mention it at all.
Okay, we already did though. But that's okay. Yes, so please, guys, more content coming. We're going to release a bunch of videos coming up because we had a lot of work to do. Oh, we just dropped something. It's gone forever. So yeah, please, buttons, like, comment, subscribe, and keep watching.